Hello viewers, welcome to another problem solving video. Here we are solving problem using Pandas of Python. So I have taken another problem from Analyst Builder website. So this problem name is heart attack risk. Let's first read the problem statement. Let's see what it says. Okay, Dr. O'Brien has seen an uptick in heart attack for his patient over the past few months. He has been noticing some trend across his patient and wants to get ahead of things by reaching out to current patients who are at a risk of high heart attack. Risk of a heart attack. Okay, got it. We need to identify which clients he needs to reach out to and provide that information to Dr. O'Brien. Okay, that's good. So we have to like fetch some patient's information name who are at risk of heart attack. So now let's move to the final part. If a patient is over age of 50, cholesterol level of 24 or 240 or over, and weight 200 or greater, then they are at risk of having a heart attack. Okay, got it. So there's three conditions we can see. The patient has to be over 50 years. The patient has to have a cholesterol level from 240 and above, like 240 or above, over, and weight 200 and greater. Okay, got it. Write a query to retrieve those patients. Include all column in your output. Okay, so we don't have any specific column to show in the output, or we can show all the columns. As cholesterol level is the largest indicator, order the output by cholesterol from highest to lowest so he can reach out to them fast. Okay, so the thing, let's see which table or data frame we are given. We are given patient's data frame. If we wanna preview, there's four field: patient ID, okay, age, cholesterol and weight. If we just want to look on the data set, okay, and if we just see the expected output, here's the expected output. All the column is shown here, and this is ordered based on this cholesterol level. You can see the highest cholesterol level is on the first. Okay, so before like let's to go to the solve the problem. Here's the problem solving area. Let's resize it for a bit and resize this area. So as always, the pandas has been imported as pandas pd, and the patient's data is given to see the first few data from this table. Okay, let's delete it and start writing. So what we have to do, like we have to satisfy three conditions we can understand here, like the age condition, cholesterol level condition and weight condition. So what we can do, we can, like through the conditional logic or conditional statement, we can verify that, or we can fetch the information that we need. So the our data frame or the table name is patients. So what I will do, okay, I have taken the table name, and from the table I have to select a column, that is age column. Okay, so the age in the problem statement, it says age has to be over for 50 years, so not equal and over, that is over, well, greater than, that means greater than, okay, 50. So okay, let's run this code up to now. So it's giving us some boolean machine, so the logic is working. The second thing is the weight has to be 200 or greater, so we have to take another conditional statement. So how can we take another conditional statement? That is it something that either this one or that one has to be fulfilled? Both the thing has to be fulfilled. Has to be over 50, age of over 50, and cholesterol level is 240 or over, and so that means like we have to take and as we will be selecting the second column here, the cholesterol column, or here it is, yeah, cholesterol column. So we have to take the table again, PATINTS, I'm taking it, and we have to take the name of the column, cholesterol. I hope the spelling is correct. cholesterol. Okay, and this has to be 240 or above. So greater equal to 240. Let's see whether it works. Hmm. So if we just, as I am writing, okay, let's check this condition separately. Let's see whether it works or not. I'm just commenting this out. Now I will run this column only. Okay, this is also working. The fact is that the previously this will not work, like two separate statement will not run together. Okay, we will fix that later. Now we have prepared our second condition. Now we will go for the third condition. The same way, third condition will also be like same. Uh, so I'm taking the third column, that will be weight. Weight has to be an 200 or greater. Okay, so that will be 200 or greater. Let's run it again. Let's see whether it works. Yeah, this is also working. Now, okay, somehow we have to combine all those three things, is it? So let's combine all those three things and will come, because all the thing has to be satisfied. Okay, so this thing will take all three things, and I'm just trying to put a bracket so that it can easily understand which conditional statement are a unit one or separate. Let's run it again. Now all the three conditions are met and we are getting information on all the three based on all the three conditions. Now we are getting the boolean masking, like where the condition meets and where the condition not meets. So the thing that we have to do now, we have to pass it in a data frame, like we have to fetch the columns or the like informations or the rows where this condition are met from the patients table. So how can we do that? We can just write the patients table again and we can pass the whole logic inside a bracket. Now we are getting only those patients who meet the above criteria. This is our result set. The one thing has to be done, that cholesterol level has to be like sorted. I'm not sure regarding whether it is showing in a sorted value. No, it's not showing in a sorted order. So like we haven't applied the sorting filter yet, so we have to apply that. So before that, let's take it in a variable so that we can sort that later. What we can do, like we can tell them as high risk patient. Okay, high risk PT. Okay, so now if we just print it, we can see high risk patient. This will be all the same because we have taken this in a variable and we are just printing that high risk patient variable. Okay, so the thing that we have to do, we now have to sort this table based on cholesterol. How can I do that? We have taken the high risk patient table here and we will apply a different method of pandas here, that is sort values. So this will sort the value, but this will not work, I believe, because we haven't provided information based on what this will be sorted, isn't it? So inside the parenthesis, we have to provide the column name based on which it will be sorted. So we will be providing that column name, that is cholesterol level. They are asking in this problem statement that has to be sorted by cholesterols. Okay, so let's run it now. Now it's working fine, and this has been sorted as cholesterol level. But one problem is that they are asking it to sort it through the highest to lowest, but the thing that we have done, that is lowest to highest. So what we have to do here, we have to apply another condition here inside this parenthesis, that is whether it is ascending or not. But we actually don't want it to be ascending in order, isn't it? Then we will provide false. That is a very important thing. I am writing everything in a small bulwark case but the false and true, that the first letter of false and true always comes in uppercase in pandas. We have to keep that in mind always. Okay, let's run it. Now it's fine, I believe. So probably we have got what we were expecting. We have got all the informations where those three criteria are met. All are above 50, I'm seeing, above 240 cholesterol level, and the patient is also, weight is also more than 200, and all the information is sorted in decreasing order based on cholesterol level. So let's check the answer. Okay, that's good. We have got the answer. That is correct. So this is the way we can solve this problem. Like you can see here, where multiple condition is there. How can we sort value based on a multiple condition from a table? Thanks so much for watching. See you on the next video. Thank you so much.